Hi, this is Don DeRosa from Expert Real Estate Coaching. Watch for the next 75 seconds. I'm going to reveal how we developed a guerrilla marketing plan on a limited budget to get an average of 25 to 50 real estate leads per week. For those of you who don't know me, I'm known as a real estate success coach. I started in real estate with no money, no connections, and no clue what I was doing. Through a lot of hard work, dedication, and creativity, I was able to build a successful real estate business. Along the way, I developed some powerful marketing techniques that anybody can use to generate an endless stream of high-quality leads. I want to share these techniques with you so you can shortcut your path to success. In this seminar, here we're just going to talk about a few of the things that we're going to learn, like how to gain instant credibility and establish your company as a trusted expert, how to market to the widest possible audience, even with a shoestring budget, how to determine exactly how many seller leads you actually need to achieve the income you desire, and how to triple your current sellers' response rates by using a proven two-step marketing approach. Also, how to use basic marketing tools like postcards, flyers, text services, websites, and many other online resources to maximize your seller responses, plus much more. In this invaluable information, it's going to help you save time, money, while building your real estate business. If you're serious about taking your business to the next level, then this is a must attend event. To register for this live event or online Zoom meeting, simply click the button below. This special offer is for a limited time only, so don't delay. Click the button, and I can't wait to see you there.